This guide shows how to access the company dashboard and update company details efficiently. Navigate to dspeedup.in. Click on Companies. Click on any company's name to open the detailed lead page. The Overview tab shows key company details, and the Add a Note box lets you quickly record important updates or call notes. Next, Company Details. Company Details tab shows basic contact information, which you can update or edit using the Edit icon. Click on Activities tab. Activity Timeline records actions like company creation, communication updates, and follow-up reminders. Next Notes tab. Click Add Note, enter your text, and click Save. The note appears instantly with your email ID and date. Navigate to Task, click Add Task, enter the required details, and click Save. Next Meeting tab. Click Add Meeting, enter the details, and click Save to add it to the list. Click on Contacts. Displays associated lead linked with the company, including name, email, open deal amount, won deals amount, last contacted time, sales owner. Click on Deals. Shows deals related to the lead, including deal name, amount, stage, closing date, contact name. Click on Files. Lets you upload and manage lead-related files, showing file name, owner, file type, date, and download or delete options.